some people ask me, why don't you why did you stay in Cuba? Why you didn't go to the U.S. when all your classmates left the country? Well, maybe I was very idealistic then. There's a very bad joke which says that when you are a teenager, you are very idealistic. When you are still idealistic after your 40s, you don't have good brains, no? So maybe that happened, but it was worth to stay in Cuba. I saw the bad times that many people didn't want to be involved in religion, and now they are leaders of the community, and it was worth to stay in Cuba and to see that even that we are such a small community, we are struggling to maintain Judaism alive in Cuba.